This is a guided relaxation in nature about the hidden gifts in our lives. So I invite you to find a special place in nature, or look out the window, or simply follow along in this video. So we'll begin by noticing the breath, noticing the feeling of the breath in the body, the in-breath and the out-breath, noticing where we find ourselves in this very moment. It's winter where we live, and everything is covered in about a foot of snow here. This is not the same as a white sand beach with crystal blue waters. And for me, in this very place, I can find peace, I can find joy, and I can find deep nourishment for my heart and my spirit. So where are the places in your life that nourish you? Where are the places in your life that give you peace and calm? It could be a balcony. It could be a neighborhood park or your favorite hike in the woods. Where are the hidden places in your life, the taken for granted places that you have access to today, this week, in this season? Where are the places that nourish you now? I invite us to notice in our mind's eye, to notice in our hearts the places that feed us, the places that support us, the places that we go to for retreat, for nourishment. And I invite us to give thanks to these places, to give thanks to the hidden gifts, the taken for granted gifts we receive in our everyday lives. It's not necessarily a vacation. It's not necessarily big and showy. And this is our life. This is your life. You have today. So giving thanks for the gifts of today, giving thanks for the gifts of this week and this season. Taking a deep, full breath, receiving this moment, receiving what life offers us here and now, and giving thanks. Thank you for joining me today.